Hi, this is Luciana Paulise. Thank you for taking my free course on how to drive a culture of innovation. Today, I want to invite you to the Masterclass series on innovation. In this course, you will learn more tools, you will have more extensive activities, and more ideas on how to foster innovation at work. What you will learn in this course? First, you will learn what is innovation and why you need it more than ever at work. Second, you will learn a lot of collaborative tools to unleash the ideas of your employees, starting by design thinking and other agile tools. And third, you will learn how to create an environment where the innovation is easier, which fosters the ideas of your employees. So don't miss this course. Please enroll today. If you enroll today, you will get a great discount. You will get the course for only $99, and there are several hours of content for you to learn. Hope to see you there, and thank you very much. Bye bye.